Hey everyone, welcome back to the Java Full Stack Developer series. I hope you are ready to level up your coding skill today. In this video, we'll explore how to make decisions in your code, repeat actions, do something math, and even leave little notes for yourself in your programs. Sounds fun, right? So, let's get started. Alright. Imagine this, your program needs to decide what to do based on some input, kind of like decisioning, deciding whether to eat pizza or sushi for dinner. That's where if statements come in. Let's write a quick example together. In mood equal 1, and if this is an if statement, please take your note the syntax of the Java language for this statement. Alright, mood bigger than 0. We will print something here. You are feeling happy today, and else, alright? Else is otherwise. I will explain it later, but before that, we will type in some code here for the else statement. Tomorrow is a new day. Okay. Alright, so see how it works. If mood is positive, it prints something happen. Otherwise, it tries to cheer up. Simple. Okay. So let's run it to see what happened. Whether it's work correctly like we think or not. Alright, and you can see here it shows you are feeling happy today because we assign the value 1 to mood variable. So now we can try this to a -1. So how it works now. Okay, show you cheer up. Tomorrow is the new day. Alright. But what if you have more choices? Like Monday, blues, or weekend vibes? That's where switch steps in. Let's try it. Okay, remove this. And alright, remove it also. And we will define a variable named day and put the value is 6 for it. And now we will use switch statement. In statement, we will use the words case. And in case 1, we will print it's Monday. Okay. And when we finish the case 1, we need to call break. And for the case, maybe we will have some more case like K2, K3, and K4. But I will just put K6 for the day we defined before. In case 6, I will bring it's Saturday. And in a switch case, we need to provide it a default case. We should do that. the for case happen when the other case are not satisfied. Okay, we now print just another day. And don't forget to put a break after a case like this. Easy, right? So let's run it to see. So it shows you it's Saturday because we said the day is 6. Now let's try to change it to 1 to see what happens. It's Monday. Okay, so that is the sweet case. Oh yeah, we'll try another day, like 7. So these cases 1 and 6 will not be triggered, and if we go to just another day. Okay, easy, right? Now let's move on to loops, because who wants to write the same line of code 10 times when your code can do it for you? Okay, let's remove this. Here's a for loop that counts from 1 to 5. So let's use 4. You need to remember the syntax when you work with Java. Okay, it's very simple and very easy to remember. In you define loop with the I variable will go from 0 to 5. Okay, every loop it will increase 1 unit like this, and in here we can print the I so we can monitor it on the console. The number you can show it like this. Okay, now we can run it to see what happened in the console. Okay, it displays the array of number from 1 to 5. So now you can change from in the normal, when you work with loop, you normally use loop for an array. So in that situation you need to put the I from 0 to access the first element from the array. And if the array has 5 elements, the last element index is 4. So we can use you can change the operator here to only less than 5. So when it reaches 5, it won't jump into the body of loop again. Okay, let's try to see what happened. Alright, you can see it go from 0 to 4 like this. So if you want to keep counting until a condition is met, use a while loop instead. A while loop. You can define a count, and you put the first value equals 0, and you use a while loop. And inside this curly parenthesis is the condition. Okay, and in the curly brackets we can do something. System out print the count. Don't worry about the syntax of printing. we will study more about this in the next video. And every loop passed, we will increase the count 1 unit. And in the condition, we will check if the count less than 5. We will jump into the body to shrink to print the count and also increase the count for the next loop. Okay, so let's run it to see what happened. Alright, it's show you like the for loop like this, and you can see the while loop here will check the condition first before it go to the body of the loop. But if you want to do something at least once, no matter what the condition is true or false, for example, you can make the count is initialize the count is 5, and you run this. It won't show you anything in the console, because when it reaches the condition first, the condition is failed, so it's not jumping to the body of the loop. Okay, so if you want it to at least 1, even the condition is wrong, we can do the syntax like you need to copy the while and put do here, and you can put the while at the end of the loop like this. And now you run this, and you can see it shows you count equal 5, right? Okay, I think you can understand this. Yeah, cool, right? Now, something you might want to stop a loop early. If you alright, we will continue from 0 again. If you want to stop the loop before it reaches to 5, you can use it. If the count equal 3, you can break will stop the loop like this. So now the count will go through from 0 to 2, and it stopped here because we trigger the break here. And we can skip the loop. That means okay, let's just do something before I can explain it so far. If the count equal 3, I can continue. Won't break the loop, won't stop the loop, but it skip something after the continue. It means when we continue, the loop will repeat again for the next, right? For next. And to make it won't repeat forever, we need to copy the count. If we skip at 3 here, the loop will repeat and repeat forever. Okay, just run it. Alright, you can see the count from 1 to 5, but it skipped 3 because we didn't allow it to print the count when the count is 3 here. Okay, Looks are awesome, aren't they? Now let's shift gears and talk about operators. You've probably seen count plus, right? And wondered what the heck it means. Don't worry, it's just shortcut for adding one to count. Yeah. So let's dive into it to understand more about the count, the plus operator. Okay, we can print the count plus like this, and you can print it again plus count like this. So we will see what happened from these. Okay, you guess they will print 1, right? But not. It print you 0 because the increments will be skewed before it be printed out the console, right? But for the increase before the count, it will increase the count before it's printed out the console. Did you catch that? Yeah. Next up, automatic operators. Let's do some quick math. We will define some variable a equal 10 and b equal 3. Now we will print something like sum of a and b. Okay, a and b is equal 13, right? 13. And let's change it to a subtract b, and a multiply b, and a divided by b. Okay. Before we do more, just run it. All right. For the first three operator, you can see the value is correct, right? But for the last one, a divided by b, because we are using the integer, so the result from the operator divided will get the number of in. So if you want more correctly, you need to change in to float or double. Okay, we will get another thing, maybe a percent b. You can read the result 1, and that's all you need to become a math wizard in Java. And when you need to compare things, relational operators are your friends. You can try this. You can try a bigger than and b, or a less than or equal b, or a equal b and A not equal B. So the result will be Boolean, true or false, right? You can see here, A is 10, of course it's greater than B, equal 3, and A not less than B or equal B. A also not equal B, but A is not equal B. Okay, so that's the comparison things operators. So if you want to combine condition, try logical operator. Logical operator, something like AND or. Okay, we can try. Alright, A greater than B and the A equal B, the A less than B, or A greater than B. In case you use AND operators, the condition from the left and the condition from the right are true, so the entire of condition will be true. Okay, and when you use OR condition or operator, just one of them, just one of the condition from left and right is true, the whole condition will be true. So let's try it. Alright, you can see here in the first one, the first condition is true, but the second condition is false. So the combination of using AND operators of these conditions is false. But for the second one, the left condition is wrong, is false, but the second condition is true. And because we use OR, so one of them is true, the whole condition will be true, like this. Okay, so lastly, let's talk about comment. They don't do anything when you run your code, but they're super helpful for explaining your code. So you can use it by using double slash like this, and you can put something, maybe define two variables. Okay, or you can do slash and star like this, and inside this symbol you can put anything in here like this in paragraph. Okay, so this is what you can do with comment. Let's try again, and you see the comment not affect your program. Okay, so remember to comment your code. It's like leaving notes for your future. And that's it for this video. Today we covered flow control, operators, and comments. In the next video, we'll dive into even more exciting stuff. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.